Welcome. And so in this video, we're going to discuss the tools and software you'll need to create apps with ARKit. Now the first thing we need to create apps with ARKit is Xcode 9. And so if you don't have it, just log on to developer, .apple.com. And then go on account, and then sign in or create an Apple ID if you don't have an Apple ID. And so once you signed in, you're going to see a little tab to the left called Downloads. Just click on it. And then download Xcode 9 or Xcode 9.1 beta. Or just download the latest version. And then the second thing you'll need to create apps with ARKit is an iPhone or an iPad. Now, you need at least an iPhone 6s, or the iPad Pro. And this is because these devices have the processing power to host an augmented reality experience. Thank you.